Good morning. Good after morning. I'm not even sure what time it is anymore. We're gonna try to make this as quick as possible because I'm behind schedule. I just thought it was kind of interesting. It's my second vehicle on the road with an injector with an injector problem. I spent a lot of time recording the last one, 03 Chevy, 0304 Chevy van with a 5.3 with misfires, and it turned out to be injector pigtails, and there was a connector that was just falling apart. And I spent a lot of time filming it and couldn't finish the filming because of time constraints, and crawled up in the van, and it all went to waste. So I apologize, because that would have been, I think, would have been interesting. Rolls up, I got an 08 Jeep Grand Cherokee 3.7 with a, am I in the right vehicle? I'm all over the place. I've already troubleshot this, so I'm backing up and bringing you guys along, so there's no confusion here. Oh, I should try putting the key on. Oh my God, it's one of those days. Try this again. Like I said, oh, here we go. Let me spin you guys around real quick. How's that for glare? Oh my God, wait, can I even block it? No, it's horrible. Can I tilt it? Can I just wing it and say the hell with it? Why not? That's a P0203 for fuel injector 3 circuit open. Da 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 da. Yeah. So at this point, we just get the an injector, we launch it in there, and we'll be done. I love doing that. Yeah, so let's step back, take a diagnostic thought of this. All right, what am I going to look for? I have no misfire data. The truck runs great. Ironically, pulled in, the light was actually off. It came in for a check engine light, but the light's off. Oh, funny part. He went somewhere else. They told him he had a valve issue, and that if the truck starts running, noisy or running funny, they should just pull it over right away because it's got a valve issue. Oh gosh, it pains me. But all right, so let me take this outside for a minute. Let's look at this mess I got out. Okay, because I probably went a little further than I should have. Number 3, driver's side, middle. I went real quick. I grabbed my voltmeter, which at this point I could probably get the heck out of here. I think I just dropped something in there. Awesome. I took my ohm meter because it was easy, and I did a quick resistance check on all the injectors on this side, and they all ohm out fine. I think 11 point something. They were fine. I went ahead and grabbed my amp clamp around the fuel injector fuse and ram tested them, and they ram tested fine. And it's at this point I went, all right, now I got to go one step further, and of course my scope module is in my diag cart, which is stuck in there, and I can't get it past this truck unless I take it off the lift, back it all out. Yeah, one of the problems with having a small facility and a big diag cart. So grab my scope module, grab some cables, and come out here, and let's back probe the injector itself. All right, come back in. We're gonna pull up the scope. Ironically, this thing just started misfiring like crazy. I don't know if it's something I touched or that injector decided to really cut out. And of course, it's not picking it up. Let's try this again. Oh, come on, I'll take you guys with me. There I'm in. And back probed, I think. Try to get something of a light in here. Maybe sort of, kinda. I love doing this one-handed. Let's go back inside and see. Do we have it now? That injector is dead now. Look at that. Let's be 100% sure. Let's get a really good light in there. Come on. Come on. Yeah, right. Get this light to balance. Not blind me. Not blind you guys. While the engine's running. Can't even see that's in there. Not the best angle. I really had a good shot a minute ago. You can actually watch the injector drop out. Now it's really dropped out. Okay. Nope. Ooh. Ooh. How about we do? How about just for poops and piddles? Let's probe. Make sure we still got 12 volts on this side. I can't see. I may have to put you folks down for a second so I can do this. Do I have? What do I have? I got my settings all wrong is what I got. Let's turn A off. 20 volts DC. Yeah, 20. Oh man, how was that for glare? I'm sorry. I'm not looking through the viewfinder. I don't even have power there now. Oh, you know what? Let's take this back outside. Let's do this outside. Alright. Let's work this a little smarter. I was doing it inside because I wanted to. Alright, we do have. I wanted to snap the throttle and show you that. So I do have my 12 volts. And I can't see a thing. What I wanted to show you was when I snap. Yes! Oh look, it's the missus. Say hi. Hold on. Alright, that's the missus checking in. Cool. Recovering from knee surgery. Let's see now. Is it back? It's a mess. I don't know what that is. Well, just to give you an idea, let me see if I can scope this other one. Let's come back over here. I'm all over the place. This is like an Ivan video. No offense, Ivan. Ivan does this stuff like this. Runs around live. See, that's better. Let's actually, oh, what'd I do? There we go. Stop. How's that for glare again? How does that look? That looks better. And that's the number. You guys can't see nothing outside. This is doing it. This is the number 1 cylinder. Let's see if we can go back to. Let's start this up again. Start it up. Looks good. Let's go back to number 3, which is our suspect. We got a lot of little nothing is what we got. I'd like to see if I can hit the back one just for fun. Somehow I don't think so. And hold you guys. I may have to put you guys down. Let's see. It's dark back there. It's dark and lonely. Nope, I can't see it. Come on. There you go. There's number 5, firing beautifully. Let's go back to number 3. Number 3 is number 1. And that's the end of that, folks. Well, alright, that was the difference of, I wanted to show you, because it was, when I first started checking this and I revved it, it would drop out on the higher RPMs. I guess on the load it would drop out and kind of come back, and I had a neat little capture. No, I didn't do a screenshot. because I thought I could repeat it, and now the injector's completely dropped out. Just like that. So, get an injector, follow up in a little bit. Alright, real quick, before I replace the injector, because unfortunately I got Keith on the phone and he got in my ear and got me thinking that possibly the PCM was shutting the driver off because it detected the misfire. Cleared the codes, went back in, it's still dead. I hooked up my ohm meter again, and this thing's wide open. So, we are hooked in, which is funny because I did this before and it was fine. And now, we definitely, positively have a bad injector. Alright, well, the injector's in, and it's working. That looks way better. It's not misfiring. Let's open that baby up. I'm happy with that. There's no dropouts. Sounds better. We will back out. We will go back into diagnostics. I know there's a task running. Read codes. Hey. There we go. It's gonna tell me to shut the key off. I know. Yes. Yes. Super. Start it back up. Awesome. Okay. Not quite where I wanted the video to go. I guess technique, procedure, my way of troubleshooting it. Like I said, I originally grabbed the camera because I thought it was neat. I was watching the dropouts. It was, you know, when I snapped the throttle, you'd get little empty spots where it would drop out. So I thought that was a good catch, and it wasn't until I grabbed the camera the ejector went dead. And then talking to Keith, he said, "You sure it didn't shut the injector off?" When it picked up like a shorted injector, it'll shut it off. It'll kill the cylinder. And I thought about it, and I went back and I checked it, and I cleared the codes and tried it again, and simple enough. I just ohmed the injector out, which was good the first time and then bad the second time. That was a weird coincidence. That's it. This baby's fixed. I'm just kicking it out the door. I got one on the lift that still needs a ton of work. That was it. Let me know if you got you would have done this a little bit differently, maybe. Let me know if it helped. I have a feeling we'll be doing more injectors on this thing. It's got mileage, and this was the first one, and they generally all start to go. So, leave your comments, concerns, and objective opinions below. Hit subscribe, ring the bell, say hello, or let me know what's going on. Thank you. Have a great day.